Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to the online class. Okay, and today I will teach chapter number 9, and chapter name is soil. Okay, and students, in yesterday classes we have already discussed about soil, about weathering. Okay, about formation of soil, about composition of soil. Okay, about soil profile. Okay, so we will discuss in today classes types of soil. Types of soil. Okay, so let's beginning. Okay, so soil is classified into following types on the basis of size of the rock particles. Okay, it contains first type are sandy soil. Okay, second type are clay soils, and third type are loamy soils. Okay, understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will discuss about the first type soil, sandy soil. Okay, so what is sandy soil? Okay, so this soil contains a large amount of sand, 70 to 80%, and very small amount of silt and clay particles. Okay, understood all of you?
Yes,
Okay, this soil contains a large amount of sand, 70 to 80%, and very small amount of silt and clay particles. So the feature of this soil, students, okay, first ever sand particles are fit large. Okay, they cannot fit closely together, so there are large spaces between them. Okay, so these spaces are filled with air, hence we can say that sandy soil is well aerated. So we can say that sandy soil, okay, sandy soil is well aerated. Okay, sandy soil is well aerated. Okay, that's clear. And next, second features have sand particles have large spaces between them. This makes sandy soil very porous. Water moves rapidly through it and dries quickly, so it cannot hold much water. Okay, it cannot hold much water. Okay, that's clear. And third features have sandy soil lacks humus. Okay, sandy soil lack humus. Okay, that's clear all of you. Sandy soil lacks humus. Okay, and sandy soil not suitable for growing crops. Okay, not suitable for growing crops. Not suitable for growing crops. Not suitable for growing crops. Okay, that's clear all of you. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So next types of soil have a clay soil. Okay, clay soil contains okay, clay soil contains mainly clay. Okay, so it has very little amount of sand. It has very little amount of sand. Okay, understood all of you? And slit in it. That's clear. So it contains some humus. Okay, and the feature of this soil ore. Okay, and the feature of the soil ore. So student, the clay soil contains mainly clay. It has very little amount of sand and slate in it. Okay, and the feature of the soil, clay soil, okay, is first clay particles. Okay, clay particles packed tightly together. Okay, and very good water holding capacity. Okay, then and clay soil turn very hard. Okay, clay soil, clay soil. Okay, clay soil turn. Okay, turn very hard. Turns very hard. Very hard because on drying. Okay, because on drying. Okay, so student, then next feature of a clay soil is heavy. Clay soil heavy. Clay soil is heavy. Okay, understood all of you?
Yes,
Because
sir.
clay soil is hard, hold more water than the sandy soil. Okay, clay soil is heavy because clay soil hold more water than the sandy soil. Okay, and clay soil is very sticky. Clay soil is very sticky. Okay, clay soil is very sticky when wet. That's clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
And next topic have a third loamy soil. Okay, so loamy soil contains an equal amount of sand and clay. It also contains silt. Okay, so equal amount of sand, large particles. Okay, large particles, and clay, small fine particles. Okay, sand have a large particles. Okay, then clay have a small and fine particles. That's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the feature of loamy soil? Okay, so because of the following reasons. Okay, so it is muddy, dark brown. Okay, and appears slightly coarse. Loamy soil is the best growing crop because of following reasons. Okay, loamy soil is the best growing crops. So students, the loamy soil is the best growing crops. Okay, because of the following reasons. So first is a right water holding capacity. Okay, right water holding capacity. Right water holding capacity. Okay, that's clear all of you?
Yes.
Second feature है वह adequate air spaces. Air spaces. Okay, adequate air spaces between its particle to hold sufficient air needed. The roots of plant, due to the presence of sand particles, okay, then sufficient amount of humus. Okay, loamy soil contains sufficient amount of humus. Loamy soil contains sufficient amount of sufficient amount of humus. Okay, and then loamy soil can be plugged easily in the crops. Okay, plugged easily. Plugged easily. Okay, plugged easily. So the loamy soil plugged easily in the crops field. Okay, so these three types of soil. Okay, all of you understood, I hope. Okay, so regarding these topics, any doubts, you can feel free to ask me. Okay, a nice day, good day.